In this video, we're going to solve some logarithmic equations. So first, let's look at the equation log base 32 of x equals negative 4/5. What we're going to do in all of these examples is take advantage of the equivalent exponential form for the logarithmic form. So 32 is the base, the negative 4/5 is the exponent, so we get 34 to the negative 4/5 equals x. The negative tells you to take the reciprocal. The 5 in the denominator tells you to take the 5th root. The 4 in the numerator tells you to take the 4th power. So we get x is 1 over the 5th root of 32 raised to the 4th power. 5th root of 32 is 2, to the 4th is 16. So we get that x is 1/16. And that's the solution to our log equation here. For part B, we have log base 1/4 of 2 to the x plus 1 equals 3. 1/4 is our base. 3 is our exponent. So we get 1/4 cubed equals 2 to the x plus 1. And now we'll solve this exponential equation like we've done before. We'll get the same base on both sides. 1/4 is the same thing as 1/2 squared. So this becomes 1/2 to the 6th. We can take the reciprocal of this by using a negative exponent. So now we've got the equation 2 to the x plus 1 equals 2 to the negative 6. We can now equate exponents and get x plus 1 equals negative 6. Or finally, x equals negative 7. For part C, we have 5 to the log x equals 1. So this is an exponential equation. Let's rewrite it in its equivalent logarithmic form. 5 is the base of the log. The log of x was up in the exponent, so that's the answer. And the 1 becomes your argument. So we can rewrite this as log base 5 of 1 equals log of x. Log base anything of 1 is 0, no matter what it is. If I take the log of 1, I always get 0. So now I have log of x equals 0. Remember, this is log base 10, so that tells me 10 to the 0 power equals x, or x is equal to 1. Finally, we're asked to solve the equation natural log of e to the log base 9 of x equals 1/2. Natural log is log base e. So we should have e to the 1/2 power. That's a typo. This should be a 2. This should be e, which is the base here for my natural log, to the 1/2 power. That's my exponent here. So it should be e to the 1/2 power equals the inside, e to the log base 9 of x. Now I have the same base on both sides, so I can equate the exponents. So we have 1/2 equals log base 9 of x. This is a logarithmic equation now. Rewrite it in its equivalent exponential form. 9 is my base. 1/2 is my exponent. So we get 9 to the 1/2 has to equal x. 1/2 tells you to take the square root. So we get x is equal to 3.